Hello and welcome back, beautiful people. In this course, I'm going to show you how you can start your YouTube journey. If you don't know anything about YouTube, where to start and where to end, and how to start your YouTube journey. Through this course, I'm going to show you step by step for you so you can simply start your YouTube journey. So in this video, I'm going to share my years of experience with you. So, how can we start our journey with YouTube? This course has 9 sections and 101 video. And step by step, I am going to show you how you can get success in YouTube. I am going to teaching you simple way how you can start your YouTube journey and get success in YouTube. I am going to teach you each and every section. I am going to teach you every little details so you can easily understand how to get success in YouTube. YouTube is not a one-day game. It's a long journey. In this course, if you have any question, please let me know in the comment section so I can easily give you question answer. Please do not hesitate to question anything. If you question something, you can learn something. That's how you can build your success in YouTube. That's how you can learn something. If you see in future this course is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe this channel so more people can watch this course for free and learn something new for their career. We have divided whole course in 9 sections so you can easily understand and relate it to this course. Section 1, Introduction to YouTube. Section 2, Start your YouTube journey. Section 3, Customize your YouTube channel. Section 4, Best tool for YouTube. Section 5, Content creation for YouTube. Section 6, YouTube video upload. Section 7, YouTube Studio Tour. Section 8, YouTube with AI. Section 9, Editing for YouTube. In this 9th section, we have discussed many different things about YouTube. So you can easily understand this and apply on your YouTube journey. So guys, without wasting a time, let's start this course.